Love for my country runs deep within me, woven into the very fabric of my identity. It's in the stories of my ancestors, the landscapes that shape my memories, and the vibrant culture that pulses through our streets. Each corner of this nation tells a tale of resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of freedom. From the majestic mountains to the bustling cities, there's a unique beauty in the diversity of our people and traditions. But this love doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's essential to recognize that while I cherish my homeland, there's a vast world beyond our borders filled with rich histories and cultures that deserve respect and admiration. Traveling has opened my eyes to the incredible tapestry of humanity. Each country I've visited has its own rhythm, its own heartbeat, and I've learned that love for one's country is a universal sentiment. In Japan, I marveled at the cherry blossoms, a symbol of beauty and transience, reminding me of the fleeting nature of life. In Italy, I savored the warmth of family gatherings, where food and laughter unite generations. These experiences have taught me that while we may speak different languages and have different customs, the core values of love, respect, and community are shared across the globe. Life is a journey, and each interaction with another culture enriches my understanding of what it means to be human. It's easy to get caught up in the differences, but when we focus on our shared experiences, our hopes, dreams, and struggles, we find common ground. This connection fosters empathy and respect, allowing us to appreciate the beauty in our diversity. I believe that loving my country doesn't mean closing myself off from the world. Instead, it inspires me to advocate for understanding and collaboration. It's about celebrating what makes us unique while recognizing the threads that bind us together. We can learn so much from each other, and in doing so, we create a more harmonious existence. As I reflect on life overall, I realize that love is the foundation of everything. It's the driving force behind our actions, the motivation to bridge gaps, and the reason we strive for a better world. Whether it's through art, music, or simple acts of kindness, love transcends borders and unites us in our shared humanity. So, let's embrace our love for our own countries while extending that love to others. Let's foster respect and understanding, creating a world where differences are celebrated and commonalities are cherished. In this beautiful mosaic of life, every piece matters, and together, we can build a future filled with compassion and unity.